You're parents, you've got a baby, you want to go scuba diving. How do you do it? Stay tuned to find out.
So guys, we have just arrived in what is probably the most underrated island in not only the whole of Sabah, the whole of Malaysia, but I think in the whole of Southeast Asia. We've arrived at Mabul and we are absolutely excited to explore this island over the next 2 to 3 days. Not only just the island itself, but also the underwater marine life around here. This whole region is famous for scuba diving. The underwater marine life is meant to be absolutely beautiful and we're going to check it out. We're going to do scuba diving over a couple of days and you're probably wondering, how are we going to manage to do scuba diving and look after this one at the same time?
11-month-old baby!
More on that later. To get to Mabul Island, it's a 3-hour flight from Kuala Lumpur to Tawau Airport. Then it's an hour journey from the airport to Semporna. And then it's an hour journey from Semporna to Mabul Island. It was a bit of a choppy ride, wasn't it, Fambos?
Oh, it was really choppy, but you know what? This little guy handled it like a proper champ.
I was scared at one point, but this guy was literally laughing his head off. But as soon as we arrived here, checked in, we were ready to explore. We're staying with a company called Scuba Junkie, who I cannot recommend enough. The room is great, the service is amazing, and they managed to sort out everything for us from accommodation, travel, and our scuba diving literally last minute.
So guys, the island is not all just about diving. You can actually just enjoy the environment. It's actually got really nice blissful vibes. It's full of local people and we actually went exploring around the village and this is what happened. Oh, this is exciting.
Are you ready for boaty?
Zakariya, are you okay? Oh wow!
Such a lovely ride! There's a saying called smooth sailing. This is it!
The GoPro stabilization is pretty good, so I don't think it's picking up the shakiness, but it's a very, very bumpy ride.
And yeah, as soon as you get there, you can take off your life jacket, then you guys can jump up to the jetty.
Good morning!
Welcome to my life!
Welcome to my life!
Hello, hello. This guy was an absolute little legend on the boat, weren't you?
You're a little legend.
I think he enjoyed the ride rather than get scared.
So, Irfan at the restaurant, so that office only for the check-in stuff, the towel, for the food. If you want to grab towel for activity, you can grab there at the reception.
After the second dive was really good, we got to see some amazing marine life. Some amazing things that I got to see was a flamboyant cuttlefish, which I've never ever seen before and I've never heard of this fish before. Me and the guy that I was diving with, we were both amazed by what we saw. It changed colour as soon as you kind of went near it, which was never seen anything like that before. And I saw a massive, humongous, giant sea turtle just resting at the bottom of the sea, as the cool dudes always do. Last and final dive for the day. We've got 1 more hour of diving left. We get through the dives really quickly. Third and final dive ready. Wow, what an amazing final dive. I have to say this one is probably my favorite one because we got to see 2 turtles. I'm really excited to get back now and see what Nadia and Pumpkin are up to.
Hello.
No, Pumpkin. Faster! What's Portia up to? What's Portia been up to?
So we're trying to find the market. This way? Wow, the kids are taking us, Irfan. Oh, thank you so much.
So we've been trying to get to the market for the last couple of minutes and asking for directions, but what we need to do is walk across the jetty into the market, so hopefully we can get something there. Hello, hello, hello.
Guys, honestly, I can't believe right now we are just in the middle of the ocean.
No, right?
We're in the middle of the ocean.
Look at it.
Good. How are you?
Very good, thank you.
Came from?
From England, but
Malaysia.
we're Pakistani.
Oh,
Pakistani,
Yeah. Are you a teacher?
You're a teacher here.
What is your name?
His name is Zakariya.
Hi Zakariya.
Hey.
Assalamualaikum.
Say
Walaikum salam. Is there lots of Muslims here? This is all Muslim
All
island.
Muslim here.
There's 2 masjids, isn't there? Mosque.
Yeah, 2 masjids here I see.
One
yeah.
is the mosque, another one is the musalla only.
And these your
This is my- My
Students.
students.
Yeah.
That's it.
Ah, okay.
They do have football there.
Ah.
And what do you teach?
I'm not teaching actually. I'm just a bullet school for them. So
Okay.
most of them is undocumented here.
Okay.
So I'm preparing a school for them.
Wow.
Undocumented, as in they don't have birth, passport or anything.
Most of them
Ah.
is a refugee from Philippines
Okay.
and come here.
I met someone in Kuala Lumpur I was having discussion with, and he said the same thing. Because we're so close to Philippines, right?
Oh, yeah.
It's like
This is
literally,
the border, literally.
it's just there, isn't
There.
it? The border to
Yeah.
Philippines. Yeah, so we're literally by Philippines here now.
That is crazy. And what's
Yeah.
your name?
My name is Rahman.
Rahman, nice to meet
This is
you.
my gift for you.
No, 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 no.
No,
you
no,
have-
no,
It's
no.
okay,
No, no,
it's
you
okay,
have-
it's
No,
okay.
no, 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 no.
This is from
This is
me.
no, no,
From
no,
my
no,
student
no,
also, right?
no, no, no.
Dia hadiah kan?
Take it.
Ah.
Rahman,
No, no,
take
no,
it.
no,
I
no,
like
It's for you and Zakariya. Okay.
It's okay, no, no, you have
No,
it.
no, for you and
No,
Zakariya.
I buy you something.
Bye-bye. No, no,
I
no,
buy
no.
you something. No.
Bye bye.
Wow. Oh my God, guys. This is how they treat you. Here is a mini mart. I think we have to take our shoes off, guys.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have to just have a little walk around and see what they have. Ice cream. Should we buy him one back?
Yeah, let's find one back.
Right.
Oh, they got
Woohoo. Right, we're gonna have to find Rahman.
Rahman!
Rahman! Rahman!
Where are you? Where are you?
You want ice cream? Here you go.
Would you like ice cream? Here you go. Here you go.
So we're in the middle of nowhere in in the island, and it just looks like there's lots of huts. Lots of huts that are made for people that live here locally.
I think what you have is now like little huts dotted around, not necessarily streets because it's just built on the beachside sand. Local community, just living together, relaxing, chilling. Ah, Nadia handing out some stuff, eh? Go on, lad, Nadia. Quite a nice little gesture, Fambos.
So guys, we made it back to the room. We're absolutely shattered because we've had a busy 2 full days. We're gonna go to sleep. We'll see you in the morning. Good morning, people, from another beautiful day here on the island. It is breakfast time. Our little Zakariya before I head off for my dive. So we're gonna have some breakfast and then off we go. Morning. So I'm just being taken to get my refresher done now. Morning.
Hello.
Hello. Morning.
Alright.
Come in. Hello.
Nadia.
Nadia!
You're gonna look after me, promise.
Nice to look after you.
Ready for our dive with all the Aquaman.
So, for the second dive we do the anti-picture. You ready for the last dive?
Ready? And that's a wrap, guys. That was amazing. amazing. I've seen 2 massive turtles sleeping, absolutely enormous. So many fishes, so colourful. It was just absolutely fantastic. Just look at the colour of this water. Back on the boat now. After doing that, look at that. Just over there. Gosh, that was so epic. The team here at Scuba Junkie are so amazing. Definitely recommend.
You're probably wondering how we managed to do both scuba diving while we're looking after Zakariya. Well, the solution was really simple. On day 1, I went diving and Nadia looked after Zakariya. And on day 2, Nadia went. You'd be surprised by the amount of people that we met on the resort and they were asking us, how are you managing? How are you managing? And we told them and they were like, that's actually a good idea. And it was really, really easy because you know what? The resort staff are really helpful. Breakfast, lunch and dinner, they helped out. They got his food ready and all that kind of stuff. You don't have to cram everything in one day. Just take it nice and slow, agree who does the stuff and just take it from there. And that's how it was.
Looks like we have just come across a football pitch here on Mabul Island, and it looks like there's a big game of footy going on right now.
Yeah.
Look at this.
And it's the perfect time to have a nice game of footy because it's around 6 p.m. No, 5:30 and it's nice and cool now. So we've come the following day to a different village, haven't we, Fambos? And this one looks like it's more of a green village. It's got like mini streets paved out. Yeah. Hello. Hey.
Hello. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello.
Zakariya, say hello to auntie. She's so nice. I like it.
It's beautiful, yeah.
We stay for diving. We went to Scuba Junkie.
Oh, that way.
Yeah, Scuba Junkie, yeah.
This is my daughter.
Yeah. Your favorite.
Yeah. This is the name Ain. Yeah, Ain.
My name is Nadia.
Ah, Nadia.
Irfan.
Where are you from? You husband?
He's from Pakistan.
From Pakistan, same.
Yeah, we're same from UK, but live it, yeah,
And
from Pakistan.
Zakariya.
Zakariya. Hello, Zakariya.
Hello, say hello, Zakariya.
Nice.
Hey, say hello.
Okay, maybe we walk back then.
Yeah. Thank you very much. It was nice, lovely meeting you.
Yeah.
Bye, beautiful wife.
Bye bye.
So beautiful. In Urdu, we say shukriya.
Yeah, Shukriya.
Thank you
Shukriya.
very much.
Pakistan.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you. Bye bye. Ah, that was lovely. Bye bye. So as you can see, the sun has gone down and it's getting dark now, and we've had a lovely time strolling around the local area of Mabul, haven't we?
Yeah, we have. And Zakariya is famous.
Yeah, everyone literally knows this guy. We're getting stuck. They're like, hey, Zakariya, Zakariya. What a little legend he is, isn't it?
It's been amazing. I definitely would recommend at least staying here 3 days if you're doing diving. If you want to spend a bit more time, just enjoy the vibes, see how local people live, watch them play football. Be on an island in the middle of the ocean, away from traffic, then this is a place. I honestly think that this is the most underrated island I have ever been.
If you're in Malaysia, this is definitely a place to check out. The scuba diving here is great. The island itself is absolutely amazing, and it's definitely a place to check out.
I'm going to call it a night, so we really hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't forget guys, subscribe to this channel. It helps it grow, and we're going to be sharing more and more content across Malaysia. So watch out for those videos.
Zakariya said, follow your vision, and we'll see you at the next one.